Matapos ang nangyaring Pogo hearing sa Senado, may nalabas si Senator Risa Hontiveros na isang web chart o matrix. Sabi niya sa kanyang Facebook page, mga personalidad daw ito na naging sangkot umano sa mga issue ng Pogo. Makikita ang larawan ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. Nariyan din si Alice Guo, pati na ang mga sinasabing kaanak niya. Nariyan din ang mga Wang. Pati na ang ilang nadadawit sa issue ng Pharmaly. Makikita rin sa web chart si dating presidential spokesperson Harry Roque, Cassie Ong at marami pang iba.
Pogos welcomed with open arms by the administration of former President Duterte. They have now been revealed to be nothing but a Trojan horse. They have exposed a web of people. Show this web. A web of people who used Pogos for their own selfish interests, their own personal gain, all at the expense of the Filipino people. Walang dinala dito ang mga Pogo kundi bangungot.
Ang National Intelligence Coordinating Agency naman may siniwalat na impormasyon tungkol kay Go.
As to the question whether or not Go Huaping is a spy or, to be more accurate, a foreign intelligence agent, an officer of that agency confirms the existence or the fact rather of Ms. Go Huaping being their agent. We have not come to that determination yet. The activities and the facts that have come to light so far in this committee and in other committees, especially in the House, point to the fact that she is, and even in discussions within the intelligence community, there is consensus that indeed she is an agent of influence.
Tinapos na ng Senado ang pagdinig hinggil sa Pogo at inaasahan ang bubuo ng rekomendasyon ng komite. Mula sa PTV, Daniel Manalastas para sa Balitang Pambansa.